Hey everyone, we are here in Channelside at Union 3 and we are going to be taking a cycling class. I'm super excited for Danielle to try her first cycle class. I actually am a member here at Union 3, so I take a class almost every morning, so it's gonna be really fun to do this together. So how are you feeling?
I'm pretty nervous because this is sort of my first real class. I'm a very active person. I love to run, like cardio is not a problem, but just cycling in general, whenever I do it, my body's just like, it just doesn't work that way. So I'm a little nervous because of that. Also, I think for a lot of people, being in like a big class can be super intimidating. I am one of those people, but I'm glad that I have a buddy to be doing it with. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully I won't like cry and fall off the bike.
What's up, team? My name's Frank Nicholas. I'm the lead instructor and co-founder of Union 3. We're a cycling, yoga, and HIIT studio downtown in the Channel District over near Water Street. Really excited to have Madison and Danielle in class today. We're gonna be putting them through a 45-minute hip-hop Wednesday cycle class. They're gonna be singing along. Danielle's a little bit excited. She says she doesn't do a lot of cycle class, so we're gonna kind of get her comfortable and get her into our team. Really excited for you guys to see it and get behind the scenes with us. Cheers.
Middle bar, 2 push, 2 pulse. Yeah. High five your teammate, make sure they're doing okay. Team, lift each other up. I'm dying.
Next time, can we try? UNATION tries going to the beach or getting a massage.
Don't worry about it.
Song is so bad.
Hold it down. Get your teammate, tap that handlebars, get up in there. Come on. This team, it goes by like last 12. Hey, Mish, the last 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go, Trisha. Let's go, Trisha. You got it. Up. Shoot you with a pace, find it right at the end. This is the end, guys. You got 90 seconds left. This is it.
90 seconds has never felt so long in my entire life.
Middle bar, go! Trisha, all the way. Now sprint. Now sit there. Run. Go match. And slowly start to sit up. Walk it out, put your head up and chin up. Hands all come big above the head, proud. Exhale, hands out of our center. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Team! Best job tonight.
We made it.
Time.
We did it.
Yes.
We survived.
Barely. Well, it was a lot of fun. It was definitely harder than I thought it was going to be, but in a good way. The class was very encouraging. The energy in there was super good, and that's like the only thing that kept me physically moving the whole time. Overall, good review.
I totally agree. That playlist was awesome and I am exhausted and really ready for a shower and a good night's sleep. Thank you so much to Frank and the whole Union 3 team. We had so much fun. And if you are in the Channelside or downtown Tampa area, be sure to check them out.
Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment down below, let us know when you're gonna come check out Union 3, and we hope to see you here. Bye guys.